Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on a few different things I bought at the hobby shop. So, let's get started. First, we have this Union Pacific hopper. Second, we have this Monin gondola. Third, we have this Domino boxcar. Fourth, we have this Pennsylvania Railroad boxcar. And last but not least, the Pennsylvania Railroad 060 steam engine. It's pretty smooth at slow speeds, but when you get to higher speeds, it wobbles a little bit. And for a 3-pole motor, it has a pretty good low speed. It's pretty consistent too. It being a switcher locomotive, it can haul 10 cars comfortably, but once you haul a little more, the wheels start to slip. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.